Hey everyone, in front of me we have Packtalk Edge, the all-new premium communication system from Cardo. Moving now to the accessories that are available for Packtalk Edge, and first up, the second helmet kit with sound by JBL. Now, this kit comes included with literally everything needed to outfit an additional helmet that you might have. We're talking the clamp, the speakers, the Velcro, the adhesive plate, both microphone options, literally everything to outfit another helmet, and then at that point just transfer your unit from one helmet to the other. For example, you have a Packtalk Edge, you've already taken it home, installed it in your main helmet, everything's good, but you decide, I'd like to use that in my other helmet. Instead of taking everything out of this helmet, installing it in this helmet, simply go out, buy the second helmet kit, install it in your other helmets, and now you're just transferring the module to whatever helmet you'd like to use that day. Moving on, the half helmet kit. Now, this mount is unique in that the hard boom is directly attached to the cradle itself. When installing on a half helmet, there's really no place to mount the microphone on the helmet itself. This kit gets rid of that and gives you enough length to get down to your mouth. And last, the 45mm Sound by JBL audio set. Now this is a plug-and-play install that you would use to replace the 40mm speakers that come with Packtalk Edge if you're truly looking for that absolute top audio experience. And that's it. For more information, you can always visit the Packtalk Edge pages on our website. See you next time.